Okay, y'all, so I'm trying to put my stuff together this morning. It's almost 7 o'clock. So I'm having oatmeal and turkey sausage for breakfast. Then I've got taco meat with rotel tomatoes and my bag of lettuce. I like a lot of lettuce, y'all. It make it look like I have a whole lot of food even when I don't. That's going to be lunch. And I still got my snack. I didn't eat my snack yesterday. That's my yogurt mixed with the oats and honey protein granola. This time I'm packing a pack of whole grain peanut butter crackers, and I'm still packing my pistachios. And that's gonna be what I take to work with me today. Breakfast, lunch, and snack. Don't know what dinner gonna be, but we'll figure that out later.